Hey, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. What I've been doing lately is doing a heavy pull day on Sunday for my lower posterior chain. Fridays I have more quad dominant, squat focused leg workout. And in between, in the middle of the week, I do just a leg maintenance day, lighter weight, a little lower volume, just work on getting some extra volume in, but also working on my weak points. So start off every leg workout with reverse hyperextensions. Here you can see I'm just doing 50 pounds on there, but I'm holding it for 5 seconds. And a really good squeeze in the glutes. As far as I'm concerned, can't get enough glute work in, especially after having major back issues, couldn't hip hinge. Really load my spine for quite a while. So my glutes and hamstrings needed a ton of work. Work the reverse hyper 3 times a week. From there, I superset into some glute ham raises. Again, hitting the glutes and the hamstrings hard. I do these once or twice a week as well. Other days I'll do 45-degree back extensions. Obviously doing deadlifts on my heavy pull day. So I basically just superset these for 3 sets. After that, onto some chaotic squats. The reason I'm doing chaotic squats here, like I said, this day is partly about fixing weaknesses and technique flaws. So something that I really need to work hard on is keeping my bar path over my feet. With the weights bouncing and swinging, it wants to push my body forward, and I have to really engage my core hard and fight to stay upright, keep a good bar path. I really love doing chaotic squats. As you can see, working hard to stay upright as possible. I'm only doing 160 pounds here. Sometimes I'll push it up 200, 210 pounds. This was part of my deload week, so I was going pretty light overall. Obviously not going to be pushing massive weights at this point with the chaotic setup, but yeah, really great bulletproofing my core, getting my technique tight, and hopefully transferring that over to my straight bar back squats. So what I'm trying to do is go down reasonably slow, not bouncing in the bottom of the hole, going down, giving it just a half a second pause, and then back up. If you bounce, you can time it right and you launch yourself back up out of the hole. You can see here, still got a lot of work to do on the legs. Happy getting a little bit of hamstrings now, but still got a ton of work to do. But I'm getting stronger. It's really nice now after back surgery. Taking the time to build up my core, build up my glutes, my hamstrings. I'm able to work out my legs 3 times a week now without any back issues. So next up, doing some lunges, split squats, not lunges. Doing split squats just with my 55-pound weighted vest on. Again, deload week, so I wasn't pushing it too hard. From there, into some core work. So I like to do planks, doing them here with my weighted vest on, and I don't sit too long in each position. I do it like a little plank circuit here, side plank, back to the middle, hold it for 5-10 seconds, then over, plank on the other side, and I just alternate back and forth, 3 to 5 sets each way. So anyone out there is just starting to train, getting into working out, core stability is massive. You can't get enough of that stuff. Learn how to brace your core, train it hard, focus on core and your posterior chain, and you'll set yourself up for success. Then on to some calf raises, finishing off with calf raises on my belt squat. I built the calf raise attachment. Absolutely love it. It's a curved or like a round bar on there, so really easy to just rock back and forth with my feet on it. Not awkward at all. Get a really big stretch at the bottom. And from there, blast through these, and then I'm on to training the front of my lower legs with my tib trainer. Finally bought one. I don't have to use kettlebells anymore. Kettlebell hack was great, but I got to admit the tib trainer is a lot more comfortable to work with. Really happy to be able to train those now. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.